Yes, be ready. 3, 2, 1, start. The petitioner also refers to the filing of a civil suit for declaration and injunction, namely RAD number 346/1992 by the respondents claiming tenancy rights on the basis of an alleged tenancy agreement and checks on which the signatures of the petitioner were allegedly forged. Stop. It is stated that the court granted an interim order initially in favor of the respondents, but ultimately the same was vacated and the said order was confirmed in appeal, holding that there was no prima facie proof of tenancy. Stop. It is also stated that in that case the documents relied upon by the second respondent were held to be prima facie forged documents. Stop. The petitioner also states that a complaint was made by the petitioner against the respondents for cheating and a case was registered and writ petition bearing number 973/1993 dated 27th July 1993 was filed by the respondents for quashing the same. Stop para. It is also stated by the petitioner that respondents filed criminal application number 973/1993 on 27th July 1993 for quashing that section 145 criminal proceedings launched by the petitioner, but the said writ petition was dismissed. Stop. It appears that at the request of the petitioner, the learned Advocate General Bombay launched proceedings against the respondents under the Maharashtra Vexatious Litigation (Prevention) Act 1971 and the High Court of Bombay after noticing that the respondents were illegally and forcibly occupying the several premises and were instituting various proceedings, came to the conclusion that the said proceedings started by the respondents were vexatious and that they should not be permitted to initiate fresh proceedings except with the sanction of the Advocate General. Stop. It is also stated that respondents made an application to the Metropolitan Magistrate for dropping of Section 145 proceedings and the said application was rejected on 25th April 1995. Stop. Respondents filed a revision before the Sessions Court bearing number 189/1995 and the same was dismissed on 7th July 1995. Stop. It is said that the respondents filed writ petition number 1050/1995 challenging the order dated 7th July 1995 and 25th April 1995 and the same was also dismissed by the High Court on 8th December 1995. Stop. It was at that juncture that the learned magistrate took up the Section 145 proceedings launched by the petitioner and dismissed the same on 26th April 1996 on the ground that the petitioner, even as per her own case, was out of possession for more than 2 months before passing of the preliminary order. Stop and over.